Hello everybody, this is version V Studio. Today we will get together to enjoy the time-lapse video where I will record my warring process of making a mecha illustration. If you like my artwork and want to own your own mecha illustration, commission is always open. You can place commission via website or app Fiverr. Link is in description below. You can also become patron on the website patreon.com to support me. Now, please enjoy the process. To start to build a mecha illustration or any other type of illustration, first, we should use the very quick stroke to have an overview about the form or structure of the object we will build. Please remember, use the very quick stroke. We shouldn't spend too many time for these steps. This will also help to have a first look. No need detail, no need precision, just let your hand move quickly on the screen or paper. This will show what is your style. Someone will like the mecha will look like a beast, other one will want to see it familiar with human proportion. Please remember that this is a mecha. It means you don't have to follow strictly the proportion and anatomy of human body. In my case, I want my mecha will look human-like, agile and high speed, so I will design it to have sharp edge, sleek body. For your information, the design language can show the characteristic of the object you draw. If the general form and smaller detail which were created from the square, you will want everybody thinking that this mecha will be sturdy, heavy armor. The circle will bring a comfortable and balanced feeling about your design. For this model, triangle will be the best choice. Triangle stand for speed, agility. As we discussed above, the proportion of body, hand, leg don't need to follow strictly the proportion of actual human anatomy. Depending on design purpose, we can choose the design solution which is suitable with the whole function of the mecha. In this case, this is an agile mecha and it will use melee weapon, so I decided to make the arm a little bit long to increase the inertia when it need to use a slash. Same thing for leg, the thigh will be bigger to provide jumping ability, high performance leg and easy to move. Now we can fill quickly the rest of the design to have an overview of the whole mecha. After having an overview, now we finish the very first step, but a very important step. This step help us have a general form. The proportion between components it will be as same as a map to lead we go further in this design. Based on the quick draft, we can base on that to redraw and clearer and a cleaner version it. In this process, we will focus on the lines. We will pay more attention on how the lines are going, the angles between the lines and their length. We will imagine in our head that where the line start and where the line end, the angle between the current line and previous line. For the curve, we will think about how curve is it. It is a circle or an ellipse. But this is not the final sketch, we will refine it later. At this time, we need to add more detail. The general design will be generated at this stage. To make the design will be aggressive like a beast, I decided to divide for it an unhide jaw with long and wide teeth. It can open when drawing to intimidate the enemy. Of course it will look cooler also. With the part that needs high flexibility, we will add 2 pistols into this section. This detail will show that this area will have a lot of movements. It can push or pull the head above. As a high-performance model, the cooling system with many fan and fin to cool the heat down is mandatory. So we went through the middle layer of the sketching process. Let's dive into the final layer. In this stage, we will focus on the precision of the line and curve. When it start, where it end, keep the line clean, control the length, ensure the stability of the line, make it less jitter. For the mask section, we discussed before, we will use the triangle of describe the characteristic of the mecha. visor mask is at center of the head, and it is the face of mecha also. This is the best place to emphasize the function and characteristic of the machine. This is all we got for today. Thanks a lot for your time and hope that we will meet again soon. See ya.